morning, everybody. It's day 2 of our Disney Very Merrytime Cruise. We're out at sea today. We had some things that we gotta do, ironing, stuff like that. We're just gonna chill, explore the ship today, probably go get some breakfast. I slept great. Bed was wicked comfortable. I thought I was gonna be seasick, but I fell asleep. I fell asleep right away. It's about 8:30 in the morning right now. I went out on the deck, checked out the sights. Katie was up before me, and we had this curtain up in the middle of the room here, and it was pitch dark while I was sleeping. I didn't even know Katie was awake. But yeah, that's the game plan for today. Just chilling, ironing some of our clothes, and exploring the ship. Yeah. Cruise vacation. It's awesome. It's my first time on a cruise, so it's pretty awesome. The seas feel a little bit calm today too. Last night it was a little bumpy. I was starting to feel a little dizzy, even though I took some motion sickness pills, but it feels a lot better today. I gotta wake up and get some coffee. Went over to Cabanas this morning for buffet style breakfast, and I got eggs Benedict, bacon, corned beef hash, some potatoes, grilled tomato, biscuits and gravy, and scrambled eggs with cheese and ham in it. And Katie got things.
Smoked salmon, corned beef hash, bacon. I have a little bit left of a hash brown. Thank you. And the same thing as because I got the scrambled eggs with cheese and ham.
Nice. And we brought our resort refillable mug, so probably gonna put some coffee in that. The Cabanas is huge. The buffet wraps around the whole back of the ship, and it's basically you can come up and grab whatever you want. Donuts, pastries, eggs, hash browns, everything. Biscuits and gravy. And then they have a little station on the side here with milk, fruit, different types of fruit, things you want to mix into your yogurt. And there's a lot of stations wrapped around the back too for your coffee, juice. There's also soda fountain back there. And then this. Yogurt, cheeses, some smoked salmon in there. A whole bunch of goodies. This is deadly for me. This is deadly. You should not be allowed to grab your own donuts here. It's like we have already made omelets, some more bacon and sausage, croissants, more fruit. And like I said, it wraps around the whole back of the ship, so it goes around both sides. What'd you think of Cabanas for breakfast?
I thought it was really good. I'm not a huge breakfast person, so for me, really, breakfast is breakfast. You can't really screw it up that much. But I mean, overall, it's a nice restaurant, and considering the amount of people that were here, it wasn't too crowded. I mean, there's always people on top of each other, even at a regular restaurant. So considering there are thousands of people on this boat, I think it was really well done, and the workers have been like busting their butts, like cleaning the tables and everything, like so fast so that other people can have the tables. So I think all in all, nice restaurant. Food was regular breakfast food. Smoked salmon that was actually really good. Good. Hey, what'd you think of breakfast?
I liked it. There was a huge variety, a huge selection. I mean, I took everyone around earlier, and what I showed them was just a quarter of what's actually over here. There's about 4 sections that long that wraps around the whole back of the ship. Just, you'll never go hungry when it comes to breakfast. From my first point watching this, just coming in, the whole restaurant's nice and clean, like you said. The wait staff is right on point, cleaning the tables, making sure that everyone gets a seat. And it's decorated really nice in here. There's palm trees with some garland wrapped in it for Christmas because we're on the Very Merrytime Christmas Cruise. But I liked it. Really good meal, and you got to be careful though, because you don't want to eat too much at breakfast because then you're not going to have any room for anything else throughout the day. We have a nice dinner tonight at the Enchanted Garden. And I'm pretty sure there's a buffet at lunch too, so we're gonna have to try to take it easy. I love these elevators. They're so nice.
They are very nice.
Like, I can't even, just this mirror right here and the floor, real tile.
There's got to be a hidden Mickey in here somewhere. There's no Disney in here.
Beautiful. Real nice view. And now, the long walk to midship from aft. What's it say on it?
I think it says shopping. Yeah, because it's a purse.
Yep.
And it says shopping. And at 11:30, if we go to the Buena Vista movie theater, we can get the charm bracelet for free only today. And only at 11:30.
And this was at Diamonds and Wishes?
Yeah. Because she has plenty of charm bracelets, but she only has plenty of charms, but she only has limited bracelets. So that's why she's only telling people to go and get the charm.
And you get 1 charm per day on the trip.
1 charm every day. Yep.
Complimentary.
Correct. And the bracelet is complimentary.
Nice. All right. The secret's safe with me. So we just got done the DVC members exclusive party, and it was really fun. Got to see all these other DVC members in there and play games with everybody. And now we're going over to Buena Vista Theater because Katie wants to get a bracelet. She wants to get a bracelet for her charms. So we're heading over there right now. So Katie and I just did a thing. We are now Disney Vacation Club members. Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
I'm really happy. It's been a long time coming. We got a special discount exclusively because we're on the Disney Cruise. So shout out to all the DVC cast members that helped us out to make it possible for us. Justin, Mike, and Haley, and Brandon.
Yeah.
Katie and I have been talking about this for years, and we finally made the leap, and we did it. We did all the numbers. We worked out all the numbers with Justin, and all we had to do was just say, yes, let's do it. So he hooked us up. He's given us an extra 150 points for next year, so we have 300 points to use next year as members, and we can do whatever we want with those points. We can stay at any deluxe hotel. We can go to Hilton Head Island. We can go to Vero Beach, Aulani out in Hawaii. Future cruises. We have so many member perks, so many member extras that you have to go on DVC.com, and that's exclusively for members also to see what we can actually do with our points. But I'm wicked excited. I have a lot to say. And
He's just giddy like a little schoolboy.
Enjoying this beer, and it's amazing. It's an awesome feeling because my family's been a Disney family for my whole life, even before I was born. So it's just we took it to the other level, the next level, I guess you could say, to make our vacations that much more magical.
Grand Floridian, I'll be seeing you soon.
Grand Floridian, we bought into the Riviera. They had a special discount for Riviera. So our home resort is the Riviera.
Which is beautiful. And I'm very excited to stay there as well. But my dream has always been Grand Floridian.
Yeah, so happy we got to share it with all of you guys. And hopefully there'll be more better content coming out on this channel at our future Walt Disney World resort stays.
Yeah, we'll get to show you every day now our gift of the day.
Oh yeah, that's another thing. We get a special DVC gift every day on the cruise, so that's a thing.
And he can show you later the special backpack that we got as DVC members that they're not giving out anymore.
Actually, I'm going to show you right now.
There you go.
I'm just going to put down my big beer.
You want me to get it?
Let's go over to the bed that was made by Neil. Shout out to Neil. He's been cleaning our room. So,
laid out our matching jammies.
Yep, laid out our matching PJs because we are on the Very Merrytime Cruise. We have Christmas pajamas. So we got this daily members gift. Today was this backpack. So we
Yesterday was this.
2 of those. Yesterday was the Disney Vacation Club member lanyard, which we can put our key to the world cards in. We also got this bag, Magical Stay, Disney Vacation Club. We have our magnets for our door to let everyone know what we're doing. We got this exclusive Disney Vacation Club member backpack that you can only get on the cruise now. You cannot get these anywhere else. So anyone watching, be jealous. They don't make these anymore. We got one of the last backpacks. And then this cool Riviera, because it's our home resort, piece of artwork that we're probably going to get signed by all the characters and then frame it. So yeah, wicked excited. We made the leap. We're DVC members and just gonna make this whole experience with this YouTube channel and everything that much more magical. I hate to say it, it's cliche, but it's gonna make it that much more magical. It really is.
We're very excited.
Yes. So excited that we missed Aladdin on stage to become DVC members, but there's another showing tonight at 6. We won't be able to film it, but at least we'll get to watch it.
And we'll tell you about it after.
Yeah, So we basically hung out by the pool all day and drank beers. And then we came back and showered and we ended up going to see Aladdin.
Oh my gosh, it was so good. The effects, the actors, the singing, everything. The genie, he was hysterical. Brought a lot of, modern jokes into, an old movie. It was just so good. I was so amazed by everything. It was great. Yeah, really great quality show. They had pyrotechnics in it, and the scenes changed, and they had like a digital screen in the back, and the magic carpet ride was awesome. No cameras allowed in there, and I could see why. They're trying to protect their product. It was unbelievable. It was Broadway caliber, like they advertised. It was. You would pay just alone big tickets just to see that, on Broadway, and it was, granted, we paid for the cruise, but, to get such a fantastic show out of it, I was beyond shocked. Although I shouldn't be because it's Disney. Yeah. And the cruise director said that the same cast that does Aladdin is going to be performing Frozen tomorrow night. So we just came back to the room, dropped some things off, want to give you guys a review, and then we're going to go to the Enchanted Garden for dinner tonight. Yes, and we had to drop off his popcorn bucket because why would we not get another popcorn bucket? I like popcorn. You get free refills, and not free refills, they're like cheaper. I think they're $1.50 on the ship for refills and $2.50 at the parks. But you can use those popcorn buckets forever. So if you go on a Disney trip and you have those souvenir popcorn buckets, take them with you and you just have to pay for the refill price. Hashtag the more you know. Hashtag the more you know. So that's that. We just wanted to let you know what was going on with Aladdin and why we didn't really film that much today. It's because we're just chilling out, enjoying our vacation.
And I'm probably not going to take this to the Enchanted Garden. I want to enjoy the meal with my wife tonight instead of filming what we're eating. But
I'll take pictures of it. You'll see it later anyways.
all right, well played. Hope everyone has a good night. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, hit the notification bell so you can get all my updates, because I'm going to be putting up a lot more content. And we'll see you next time.
See you next time. Bye.